Shopping is an essential part in our day-to-day life. And going to the shop to make purchases both on-site and online is usually easier when we know what we are going to do there already. Well, welcome back to our channel this day. If you're searching for the best deals, top products, and expert shopping tips, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we will outline some apps that are similar to Temu where you can get free stuffs. While there aren't many reputable apps designed solely for getting free stuffs, however, here are 5 options that offer rewards programs or opportunities to earn points, money that can be redeemed for free items. 1. Swagbucks. 2. Aboda. 3. Fetch Rewards. 4. Shopkick. 5. FreeCycle. Well, there are more options that you can browse in the description below. We have provided other shopping platforms and some rewards and cashback apps too. Here ends our short video, but before leaving, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our latest guides and reviews.